Hello everyone, welcome back to the kitchen table. Sorry, it's just a really quick and dirty video on the phone, just to let you know that Barry and I approached the Civil Aviation Authority and said, look, we seem to be having a lot of questions and concerns and queries about your consultation document on drone registration, charging and how the system's going to work. We'd like the opportunity to put some of those questions to you. And the Assistant Director of Communications has agreed that we can interview him. So what we'd like you guys to do is in the comments below, let us know the questions you'd like to ask the CAA, and we will do that within the next week, hopefully. What we're going to do is over the next few days, we'll collate the most sort of frequently asked questions, areas of concern, areas of confusion, and we'll put them to the CAA and we'll get the answers for you. So that's what we need you to do. If you would like to ask a question about this consultation, about any aspect of it, if there's anything in it you don't understand, then stick the comments down below. We will collate those from this and other videos and we'll put together a sort of a most asked, and we will go straight to the horse's mouth and we'll ask the CAA. So yeah, that was it. Thanks very much for that. Exciting news. Hopefully we can get those answers for you. Comments below. Let us know what you want to ask. Until next time, cheers.